Kiss me along. I will be changing my name back to number 1, so don't worry, all my fans and subscribers out there. Oh, that guy gave me where welcome to the big name, doing a cute little kid, fat head. Okay.
All right. Let's get it going. First rule, what's your favourite colour?
My favourite colour is definitely cyan because it's so bright and nice. My favourite colour is red because it's the blood when I kill people on my shirt.
Okay, what is your favourite animal?
Well, my favourite animal's got to be a gecko because of their little feet. They're like, and they lick their eyes like.
It's true. It's weird.
I like lions because they kill people.
Okay. What's your favourite time of the day?
My favourite time of day is 3 AM. That's my favourite. My favourite time of day is like lunchtime. It's bod.
Oh, what's your favourite type of food?
My favourite type of food is my favourite food is pizza. Cringe! My favourite food is pizza because of all the things you can have on it.
Okay. What's your favourite type of car?
Lamborghini. No, mine's the Ford. Mine's the Ford. It's so sexy. No, my favourite is the Ford Mustang because it's American. I don't